Hi, I'm James from Shane's Trees, and this is a quick guide to stump grinding and avoiding disappointment. You may have recently had a tree removed from your property and left a big ugly stump behind. Stumps are susceptible to rot and disease and can spread to the rest of your garden. They can also attract termites and other nasties that could spread to your house and cause damage. They can cause damage to your driveway and footpaths and any low-set concrete that doesn't require a large amount of compaction, which can be a costly fix. The fastest and most efficient way to remove your stump is to grind the stump. Before stump grinding can take place, there are a few factors you need to be aware of. Number one, access. We have a range of stump grinders capable of different sized jobs. Depending on where your stump is located, we may need to use ramps to access your garden. Number two, underground services. You will need to check if there are any underground services near your stump. Services like gas and electricity need to be located before any work can commence. Dial Before You Dig is a free service that you can call to locate any of these services. Number three, foreign objects close to the stump. Any rocks, bricks, or any other debris near the stump may need to be removed before we grind the stump. This will provide an efficient, effective removal of your stump and won't damage any of your property or our stump grinder. Costs can vary from stump to stump depending on access and size of stump, so it's best to give our estimators a call who can give you a free quote. We look forward to hearing from you.